It's New Vision TV. I'm here today to tell you about a phenomenal event that's happening on May the 29th, the 30th, and the 31st. The 4th Annual Memorial Polo Cup held by the Diamond Achievers Foundation of Frisco. It's going to be crazy. If you don't already have your ticket, you need to get it now. Link below. New Vision TV is going to be there. Are you? Yo.